Hi, I'm Matt Tenzar, your local real estate expert. Today I want to talk to you about an important decision you might be faced with. If you've inherited a home that is in a trust, a probate, or if you have a property that just needs a significant amount of work, you might consider selling it to a real estate investor versus maybe selling it on the open market with a real estate agent like me. On the surface, selling to an investor might seem like a quick and easy solution. You might think you'll save money and avoid the hassle of getting the property ready for the market. But is that really that simple? Let me share a story about my client who was in this exact situation. She had inherited this home on Chapman Street, and as you can see, this property needs a lot of work. And believe it or not, what you see now is what it looks like after I completed some basic improvements. She was contacted by a couple of investors and received 2 offers. Initially, she thought these offers would work for her financially, especially when considering all the potential costs of using a realtor and the amount of work that she felt this property needed. Of course, for her, one of the biggest challenges was that she lived out of state and she did not have any time to spend working on the home. But that didn't stop us. I assured her that we could handle all of this by phone or online, and she would not have to worry or do anything. I would be there every step of the way as her guide. From the very beginning, I coordinated everything. First, working seamlessly with the contractors and inspectors in order to prepare the home for sale. She even used our exclusive Compass Concierge program where we fronted all $7,500 of the cost. This relieved her of that financial stress as well. We then connected the attorneys and the title company together to ensure that all the paperwork for the sale and the closing would go off without a hitch. Once all of this was completed, we designed and started a strategic marketing campaign. This campaign was designed specifically for this property to market it effectively and to give the home maximum exposure. And the results? They spoke for themselves. Within 1 week, we received 7 offers, including 5 from other real estate agents and 2 from investors. The investor offers were significantly lower and, of course, without any closing fees. But thanks to my strong negotiating skills, we were able to secure a final sales price with a realtor that exceeded her investor offers by more than $300,000. And in the end, after all the costs were calculated, she was even more thrilled to learn that by using me, she was going to make nearly $200,000 more than if she had gone with the highest of the 2 investor offers. That is a life-changing amount of money. Selling your home, especially from afar, doesn't have to be daunting. With the right team, you can ensure that you get the best possible outcome and not leave any money on the table. If you have a property to sell and want to explore your best options, give me a call. I'm Matt Tenzar, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.